In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN content on Hulu, so you can enjoy live sports, shows, and highlights. Let's get started. To access ESPN content, you'll need a Hulu Plus live TV subscription, as it includes ESPN and ESPN2 as part of its channel lineup. Open the Hulu app or website, log into your account, and navigate to the Live TV section. Use the channel guide to locate ESPN or ESPN2 and tune in to watch live sports events, analysis shows, or replays. For on-demand ESPN content, browse the Browse or Sports section in Hulu's library. Some shows, like SportsCenter or highlight reels, may be available for streaming at any time. If you encounter blackouts due to regional restrictions, consider using an official streaming service like ESPN Plus for additional sports coverage. You can also record ESPN programs using Hulu's Cloud DVR feature for later viewing. Ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy ESPN content on Hulu.